In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sequence in Google Sheets. This is an essential skill for efficiently handling data, whether you're building a simple list or an extensive data set. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, open up Google Sheets. You can do this by going to your Google Drive and selecting Sheets from the available options. Once you've got your sheet open, navigate to cell A1. Here, we're going to start a simple sequence with the number 1. So just type in the number 1 and hit the Enter key. This moves your cursor to the next cell, A2. Once you're in A2, go ahead and type in the number 2, followed by another press of the Enter key to drop you into cell A3. Here, you'll want to type in the number 3. What we're doing is establishing the beginning of our sequence, which Google Sheets will recognize and extend for us. After you've done this, click and hold your cursor on cell A1. Drag it down to cell A3, highlighting these 3 cells. With those cells highlighted, look for the small square at the bottom right corner of the selection. This is the handle for the autofill feature. Click and drag this handle downwards. As you do, you'll notice a preview outline appearing in the cells below, indicating that they'll continue the sequence for you when you release the click. It's a seamless way to fill in cells without manually entering each number. Next, we'll dive into using a Google Sheets formula to create a sequence. Click on cell C1, and here we've got something really neat. You can use what's called the sequence formula. Type in equals sequence 10 fall 1 and 1 1. Hitting enter will generate a sequence from 1 to 10 in a column from C1 downward. This formula generates a column array with 10 rows, beginning at 1 and incrementing by 1, thanks to the parameters we just specified. Now, you might want to work with these numbers elsewhere. So let's highlight cells C1 to C10. To do this, click on C1, drag your mouse down to C10, then right-click and select the Copy option. Alternatively, you can use your keyboard shortcuts. Head over to cell E1, click to select it, and paste those copied values there. Finally, let's use an autofill suggestion. Move on over to cell F1 and type in the number 1. As you start typing the series in F column, Google Sheets will often suggest an autofill option based on your previous actions. If so, simply press the Enter key to accept and complete this suggestion. And there you have it. You've successfully created sequences using both manual and formulaic methods in Google Sheets. I hope you found this guide useful and that it enhances your productivity with data management. Thanks for sticking around, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital workflows.